Your first question is, which color of clothing makes a person feel hotter? Your options are A. Black, B. Green, C. Blue, D. White. The correct answer is A. Black. Your second question is, which living creature can biologically live forever? Your options are A. Turtle, B. Shark, C. Jellyfish, D. Starfish. The correct answer is C. Jellyfish. Your third question is, what can be sprayed in a house to make a bull run away immediately? Your options are A. Coconut oil, B. Milk, C. Fennel, D. Holy water. The correct answer is C. Fennel. Your fourth question is, which body part stops growing after around the age of 16? Your options are A. Eyes, B. Teeth, C. Hair, D. Nails. The correct answer is B. Teeth. Your fifth question is, solar energy is obtained from what? Your options are A. The sun, B. Stars, C. Fire, D. The moon. The correct answer is A. The sun. For more videos like this every day, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your next question is, which is the widest river in India? Your options are A. Brahmaputra, B. Ganga, C. Chambal, D. Gomti. The correct answer is A. Brahmaputra. Your seventh question is, in which city is Hawa Mahal located? Your options are A. Udaipur, B. Jaipur, C. Delhi, D. Agra. The correct answer is B. Jaipur. Your eighth question is, in which country is petrol the cheapest? Your options are A. Sri Lanka, B. West Indies, C. Congo, D. Venezuela. The correct answer is D. Venezuela. Your ninth question is, Dettel is a company from which country? Your options are A. India, B. Russia, C. China, D. England. The correct answer is D. England. Your 10th question is, how many teeth does a 5-year-old child usually have? Your options are A. 32 teeth, B. 18 teeth, C. 20 teeth, D. 15 teeth. The correct answer is C. 20 teeth. For more videos like this every day, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your 11th question is, what burns in the dark and goes out in the light? Your options are A. Bat, B. Owl, C. Candle, D. Lamp. The correct answer is C. Candle. Your 12th question is, who is known as the father of the computer? Your options are A. Pascal, B. Newman, C. Henry, D. Charles Babbage. The correct answer is D. Charles Babbage. Your 13th question is, in which country do students receive a graduation degree for planting 20 trees? Your options are A. India, B. China, C. Philippines, D. America. The correct answer is C. Philippines. Your 14th question is, Colgate is a company from which country? Your options are A. India, B. Japan, C. China, D. America. The correct answer is D. America. Your 15th question is, which country purchased Mahatma Gandhi's glasses? Your options are A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. China, D. America. The correct answer is D. America. For more videos like this every day, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. Your 16th question is, under which tree did Gautama Buddha attain enlightenment? Your options are A. Mango tree, B. Peepal tree, C. Banana tree, D. Neem tree. The correct answer is B. Peepal tree. Your 17th question is, where can blue-colored roads be found? Your options are A. Qatar, B. China, C. Norway, D. America. The correct answer is A. Qatar. Your 18th question is, drinking ginger juice may help relieve which problem? Your options are A. Jaundice, B. Cancer, C. Heart disease, D. Cold and cough. The correct answer is D. Cold and cough. Your 19th question is, what is the correct meaning of the idiom, like a wet cat? Your options are A. Catching a cold, B. Staying alert, C. Feeling scared, D. Making cat sounds. The correct answer is C. Feeling scared. Your 20th question is, in which country is the blue-colored mango found? Your options are A. India, B. China, C. Indonesia, D. America. The correct answer is C. Indonesia. Now here's a question for you. In which country was the samosa invented? Your options are A. India, B. Iran, C. China, D. America. Be sure to share your answer in the comments section. Like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel with the bell icon turned on. Thank you.